Good morning, Maranatha. I'm Nolan.
I'm Jose.
I'm Aiden.
I'm Yuki. And I'm Lillian, and this is your main outlook.
Siblings of students not currently enrolled at Maranatha have the chance to take advantage of priority registration for the 2024-25 school year and get the $75 application fee waived until November 17th. For more information, contact the admissions office.
The next Maranatha morning is on November 17th after drop-off in the coffee house. All guests receive a free brew coffee and pastry item. We hope to see you there. School will be closed from November 22nd to the 24th in honor of Thanksgiving holiday. We hope everyone is able to enjoy time with family and give thanks for all God has given us.
Calling all parents of babysitters. We got a new group called the Babysitting Club. Visit the Parents with Purpose Facebook page to learn more.
The Mistletoe Market will take place on Saturday, December 2nd in the gymnasium. Dozens of vendors will be selling unique gifts and stocking stuffers, so be sure to check it out.
Well, that's the only time we have.
We hope you'll stay informed
And stay rooted.
And built up in Him. Goodbye.